Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the routing and some routing protocols. So what is routing basically? Suppose two users are connected with a network. So in this network there can be like other users will be connected also with same network, and there can be also like more devices like switches. There can be switches and also can be more routers. So here you can see we have a network and user A, B and C, like three types of users are connected with this network. And suppose now A wants to send a message to B. Now how the message will be sent? So it will go through the transmission medium and it will go through the switch, and then it will go to the router, and then this router will pass the message to this router, and now this router will decide which way to send, either this or this. So here is a question, whether the message should be sent to this link or this link. So now the router is known as the layer 3 device. So also switch also can be known as the layer 3 device. Some switches work as the layer 3. So what is in the layer 3? It is the network layer. So here the router will get, from this packet the router will see what? Which is the destination. Suppose the destination's IP address is 0.0.2 and the IP address of this router is 10.0.0.4, and if this one is 10.0.0.3, so now it will decide, this router, based on the destination that is written on the packet, that is 10.0.0.2, and it will be written on where? In the packet that was sent from a user. So now the router will decide, based on this IP address, the router will send to this route rather than this one. So here you can see the route is decided, like from here to this path where it will go, and it was decided using a protocol, and this method is known as the routing. Like একটা পিসি থেকে একটা ইউজার থেকে আরেকটা ইউজারে মেসেজ পাঠানোর জন্য আমাদের যে রুটটা ডেভেলপ করা থাকে সেটাকে আমরা কি বলে থাকি? রাউটিং। সো রাউটিংটা বলতে কি বুঝতেছি? Routing is basically the route. Route to what? Path to reach to the destination. So এই ডেস্টিনেশনে পৌঁছানোর জন্য যে রুটটা ডিসাইড করা হয় or ক্রিয়েট করা হয়, that is known as the routing. So there are three types of routing. One is the static routing, dynamic routing, and the last one is known as the default. So what do you understand with the word static? স্ট্যাটিক বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? স্ট্যাটিক রাউটিং এ যেটা হয় আমাদের the routes will be defined by the administrators. Let's see an example. Static routing এ কি হবে? Suppose আমার হচ্ছে কি this is a PC, this is another PC, and this is another PC. So this PC is connected with a router, and this is connected with another router,